Hi guys, now I will show you how our program works. It's real-time attendance. In a nutshell, this program listens each and every event from the fingerprint machine. So basically, when a user get entered, his or her details shown on our system. So let's play the program.
Welcome to Fitness Plus BD. Hi Dr. Sigma Hossain. Thank you.
So guys, you have seen that a user have entered and his name is Dr. Sigma Hussain. Here is his details. Payment status fulfilled. When we will click details, we will see the details of that user and other details there.
Admin finger.
So you have a,
Admin finger.
another user placed finger and it is finger, this finger from the admin. That's why we did not mention here because we will show only the member's finger details here.
Hi Mr. MD. Shahajahan. Thank you.
So we have seen that another user placed finger and it is Mohammed Shahjahan, its ID 100291, and here is details. And you will see fully paid, partially paid, or not paid, etc. details there.
Hi Tishar. Thank you. Membership expired.
So you have heard this user's membership expired because our system will compare the date. And when we will click in the details button, we will see the details of that user in our website. So let's check. So here all the details of that user, Mr. Dr. Sigma, and you will see everything from there. So it is about our real-time attendance machine.